What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another day of trading. I am Michael the Trader, trying to figure out if we can grow this small account. Right now, we're looking at a $2,200 account selling premium. Today is January 17th, just about 11:30 Pacific time. So let's hop in there and see what we got going on. All right, yikes. So yesterday, I'm just gonna go elephant in the room, right? So yesterday I said that Spirit Airlines hit me hard, but today I'll tell you what, they hit me even harder. Basically, the news came out that the deal will not be allowed to go through between JetBlue and Spirit Airlines. So let's hop in there, see if we want to make any adjustments. Yesterday I didn't want to make any, but let's just see what we got going on. All right, so I have the 750 put that I sold way back when, almost more than a month ago, right? Let's see here, actually. You'll see here. Okay, 20 days. Sorry, it's been open for 20 days. Let's go back. Let's see. So, been open for 20 days. Threw that on 12/28. So 12/28, where are we? Let's actually just adjust this time frame here to 12/28. This must have been from an old trade I did. 12/28 already. Boom. 12/28. So I threw it on right there. So, all right, let's see here. So I put on the 750 put. Right now, Save is trading at $6 even. So what do we want to do? Let's see what my break even is first. So 750 minus $1 would be 650. So 649 is my break even. So let's throw that on there so I know exactly what I'm looking at. So 649. Let's update this. 49. Let's make it, I don't know, like a pinkish color. So I know that that's my break even. So not too far off from the break even. Now, let's see if we want to roll it down. So right now I have a GTC good till canceled order to buy back at 50 cents. Right now we're not anywhere near that. So let's see. I might throw on a call. Are we going to bounce back up to 10? I'm not sure. Let's see. So we have the calculator here. 10 divided by 6, so you guys can see. That is a 66.67% return to get back to there. Not very likely that. I don't know. Anything's likely now, I guess, with this stock. So I'm going to throw on the call. I'm going to wait, and then we'll see. Maybe I'll roll it down to the 750 as time goes on, or roll it out in time to March 15th. But for now, let's just throw on the call and see if we'll get filled. Oh, did not mean to cancel that. I wanted to replace. So 25. I mean, it's right at the midpoint, guys. I'm going to let it sit. I'm going to let it sit for a couple minutes. See, we'll come back to it. So starting back from the top. GDXJ. All right. So I got hit again today. Let's see where we're at. Basically, I already have 2 rolls. So if we pop in here, you'll see I've been rolling the calls down. So 44 to 42, 39. I was chasing it down yesterday. There was a down move. I didn't want to make any changes in case we got a bounce back, but we haven't gotten the bounce back, so I might recenter because you'll see here I'm a little skewed. So let's see. I'm thinking I'll maybe come down to the 37 level. 37 call. What is that? Okay, 19 delta. I'm comfortable. Let's do that. So I'll collect 19 cents more in premium, help widen my break-even points. So let's throw that in there. Pretty tight market. So let's see. Oh, here we go. Sorry, I need to cancel my GTC already. Roll that down. Let's see here. Let's see if we can get filled. All right, guys, filled instantaneously. 19 cents. Now let's throw on a new GTC order. So we want to get half of the initial credit, so 45 cents we want to squeeze out of this. So just so you guys can follow along, 134 minus 0.45, 45 cents. Boom, 89 cents is the new GTC that we are going to put on. 0.89. Make this a good till cancel. Boom, 50%. Done. So we're going to let that sit, and then who knows, maybe I'll wake up late one morning and then it'll just hit. So GDXJ, now let's go to IWM, Russell 2000. All right, guys, this one has been on for a couple weeks. So we're sitting at the call delta of 6. So let's see here. Again, same story yesterday. I didn't want to make any moves in case we got to bounce back up. You'll see here, this was yesterday, dropped, but we're down again today. I'm thinking I might move this call spread down, maybe to the 200 level even. Let's see how confident I'm feeling. Let's see. Let's check it out. We move it down to 219 delta. Okay, maybe let's check out the 201. Let's see. I want to keep the call spread. I want to keep $2 wide wings. So let's see what we will get moving it down. We get an extra 19 cents in credit. 18 cents now. Okay, let's ship it. Let's see if we'll do it. Okay, got to clear this GTC, guys. I'm sorry, I keep forgetting. Said the 201, 17 delta. I'm okay with that. I'm a little bit more bullish, so I want to stay skewed to the upside. So let's see if we can get filled at 18 cents. Boom, instantaneous. All right, now what we're going to do is throw on another GTC so we can get 50% of the initial credit. So that's going to be, we want to get 31 cents. So 80 minus 31 cents, so that's going to be 49 cents. See if we can squeeze out 49 cents over the next couple days. Otherwise, I will roll it. Let's see. What did I say? I already just forgot. So we got, what did we say? So half of that, so 31, so 80 minus 31, that's going to be 49. All right. Again, we want a GTC, so if it hits, if I'm out of town, whatever the deal is, we'll make some money off that. All right, let's get that going. All right, guys, save. We already threw on a position here. Let's see. We're not getting filled at the 25. Let's work our way down a little bit. See if we can get filled at 24. Boom, we got that. All right, guys. I'm going to let this one sit. I'm not going to throw on a GTC just quite yet. Let me see how the rest of the day goes. Let's move down to TLT. Not much action going on here. Let's pop in. I mean, we're getting pretty close to my put spread. We haven't breached yet. Let's see, though. I haven't yet made any adjustments. I'm thinking I could possibly take this 102 call down to the 100 level. I do want to give myself a little bit more room to the upside. Let's see if it even makes sense, because I don't want to make an adjustment if I'm only going to collect 5 cents in premium. So let's see here. If we want to make that... let's check the 99 level. I'm okay with that. 13 cents. I'm not too keen on doing this because this is a defined risk position. So my risk is defined. I may let this sit. One more day. Let's see, what else can we do though? So maybe we'll do, let's see here. Maybe we'll do the 101. No, that definitely doesn't make sense. All right, guys. I think I will let this sit. I'm going to let TLT sit. Actually, I don't want to get whipsawed. Let's wait. Let's wait to see if we're breached on the put spread. We'll get back to that. So, all right, we have some earnings coming out today. The biggest one, I'm not going to get too much into it, but I'm interested in AA, Alcoa. So, let's see what we want to do. So, I'm looking here. I'm going to probably sell a strangle just outside of the expected move. Let's see. I want to use 25 and 30 just in case I do want to make any rolls. because that'll be a tighter market. So you'll see here there's no halves except for 22.5, but there's no 29.5 or anything out in the further dated cycle. So I'm thinking about sticking at the 25 and 30, but let's see actually how much premium we can collect. If we want to do the 30-day, I'm not too excited about this, but let's see how it goes. If we want to stick at the 30, it's pretty tight. Guys, I'm thinking I'm going to do a wider strangle. I'm also considering just right here about 27.40. So I could get a straddle and then 25% of this. I'm not too sure. I think I'm going to go for the strangle at 25 and 30. Collect at least 50% of this. Most likely, if we don't get a huge move, we're going to get the IV crush, and then I'll be able to buy this back maybe for 7 cents, if not cheaper. So let's see here, just for you guys at home. It is outside the expected move. But let's see here. So 25 divided by trading price 27.38. That's the last quoted price. -1. So we're looking at 8.7. So almost a 9% down move. And then on the upside, we got 30 divided by 27 point. I'm going to go back to the 3.8 to keep it consistent. Okay, so we have 9.5, almost 9.5. We want to round up to 10% on the upside. I'm okay with that. I can make a roll. Traditionally, I don't believe Alcoa in the last few years has moved more than 12 or 13% on the up or down move. I could be wrong. But I'm okay with this. I'm feeling okay. So 25 and 30. Let's look at the chart here. This is from an old trade I put on before. Let's move it. Let's start fresh, guys. So 25 here. Bump back to 30. It's possible. It's quite possible. Maybe I do want to give myself some more room on the upside. But you'll see here. No, I'm comfortable with this. I could even skew it a little bit further. No, I'm down. Let's do it. 25, 30. We'll report back. We'll see exactly what happens tomorrow morning. So let's do that. You'll see here too, I'm not too concerned about the 25 level. You'll see here, what, 25? Hasn't hit 25 really since 2021. I'm down. Let's do it. Stop overthinking it. Boom. We're going to place the trade. So they're going to 16 delta on the downside, 18 on the call, just outside the expected move. I'm going to ship it. Let's see if we can get right in the middle. 47. We want to, you know what? I'm feeling lucky. Let's see if we can squeeze out 48 cents. Aha. Let's see. Not today. They don't want to give me the extra penny. 47. Let's go for it. Ooh, they don't even want to get me at the mid price. Let's see. Walking my way downtown to 46 cents. All right, let's go. 46 cents. Boom. Filled at 46. I'm going to put on, in case for whatever reason, my puppy keeps me occupied at the 6:30 a.m. open because I'm on Pacific. I'm going to throw in a GTC order. I'm going to squeeze out, try to see if I can squeeze out $40. So let's open up at, I'm going to do, this is just a quick way for me to get to good till canceled. So I'm going to buy it back for 7 cents. So that way I can squeeze out a full 40 cents, which translates to $40. Options terms. So let's see how we do. Let us see. All right, guys, if you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up. Any comments you have, write them down below. Anything you're working on, any questions, any trade ideas. I want to learn with you guys. You want to learn, I want to learn. Let's learn together. If you like what you're seeing so far, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss anything else. And I'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.